Hello, my name's Hillary Ryan and I'm a broker with Blue Coast Realty here in beautiful Sarnia, Lambton. If you're getting ready to sell your home, you might be wondering, how do I make the best first impression in a short amount of time? The good news is, with the right plan, you can have your home open house ready in just 1 week. At Blue Coast Realty, we've helped countless sellers just like you prepare, list, and sell their homes quickly and confidently. So today I'm sharing our proven 1 week prep plan that helps buyers fall in love the moment they walk through the door. Day 1, declutter and deep clean. Start by removing any excess items, clear off counters, shelves, and closets. Less clutter makes your home feel larger and more inviting. Then give it a deep clean and let us connect you with one of our trusted local cleaning pros. A sparkling home sets the tone for everything that follows. Day 2, focus on curb appeal. Buyers start forming opinions the moment they pull up to your property. So mow the lawn, weed the garden, wash the front door, and add some seasonal flowers. Make sure your house number is clearly visible. Day 3, make minor repairs, fix leaky faucets, patch nail holes, replace burnt out bulbs. Those small details go a long way in showing buyers your home has been well cared for. Need help? We've got a great network of local contractors ready to assist. Day 4, stage for success. Staging is where the magic really happens. Our professional staging team highlights your home's strengths and creates warm, welcoming spaces that feel more move-in ready. Whether it's working with your current furniture or bringing in what's needed, we make sure every room shines. Day 5, photograph and film. High quality listing photos and drone footage are essential. Our photographers know how to capture your home in its best light, literally. With drone shots of your property and the neighborhood, buyers can really envision the lifestyle that comes with your home. Day 6, maximize marketing exposure. From MLS listings to a customized social media strategy, our marketing team ensures your home gets in front of the right buyers. We create eye-catching posts, video reels, and targeted promotions that get people talking and visiting. Day 7, showtime. It's open house day. Open the blinds, light a candle, and put out fresh towels. We'll handle everything else. Signage, scheduling, follow-ups, you name it. And when your home sells, we'll even provide a complimentary moving truck for local moves. At Blue Coast Realty, we're proud to serve Sarnia and Lambton County. Whether you're listing a cozy family home near Canatera Park or a waterfront property along Lake Huron, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thinking about selling? Let's chat. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation and get a personalized prep plan for your home. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you take the next step.